So,
Yes, sir.
good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Yes. So, today we are going to revise the NCRT questions from the chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. In the previous class, we have completed 4-5 questions. Today also we will proceed from where we have left in the yesterday's class. Alright? So, now you will be able to see one screen. Yes, is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is a glitch. Just a moment. Now, screen is visible to you properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, today's date is 9th of Feb. Alright. So, this much we have done yesterday. Today is 9th of Feb. And 21. We are going to start with the NCRT questions. Yes? NCRT questions. Okay. So, one important question. That is, the magnetic field in a given region is uniform. Draw a diagram to represent that. So, diagram, in very short, diagram to represent uniform magnetic field. Yes? How to represent with a diagram uniform magnetic field? Who can tell me? How will the diagram look
Sir,
like?
inside a solenoid, we will
How
make a
it will
parallel
look like?
magnetic field, sir.
We will make a parallel magnetic field. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, every time inside a solenoid, there is no need of showing a solenoid. What we will do, we will draw parallel lines. Like this. We will draw lines like this. So, if one magnetic field line is parallel to another magnetic field line, you can see here. Yes, that means the magnetic field is uniform. It may be inside a solenoid and it may be inside any system. Okay? If the magnetic field lines are parallel to each other, that means it has a uniform magnetic field. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Question
sir.
has not asked you to draw
Yes,
the uniform magnetic
Yes,
field
sir.
inside a solenoid. The question haven't asked you. Yes, to draw the magnetic field line inside a solenoid. They haven't mentioned the solenoid here. So you will not draw the solenoid. Rather, you will draw parallel lines to show uniform magnetic field. It can be inside any system. If you are interested to show the system, you can draw like this. Okay? If this is a system, inside a system, if the magnetic field lines are parallel, they show uniform magnetic field. Or else, if you want to specify this, you can use a solenoid and you can represent that this way, straight lines. Alright? Both of them are correct, equally correct. Okay? Let's move on to another question. Okay? So, next question is, let me check. What is the principle of electric motor? Principle of electric motor. Who can tell me principle of electric motor?
Sir, the principle of electric motor is, sir, when a rectangular coil is being placed inside in a magnetic field, then the magnetic field exert a force on the rectangular coil, due to which the coil rotates.
It is incomplete. This is incomplete. Come on, tell me anybody else. If we
Sir,
place yes, tell me. Who is speaking? Come on, tell your name and
Sir, Shushoban boss.
Sushovan, tell me.
When the principle of electric motor is when a rectangular current carrying coil is placed in a uniform magnetic field and current is passed through the coil.
Perpendicularly. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes, sir. Perpendicularly placed on a uniform magnetic field,
Yes.
and current is passed through the coil. The
Yes.
coil experiences a force.
The coil
This
experiences
makes it rotate or move.
Very good, very good, very good. So, see here, why I use the word perpendicularly, huh? See, suppose this is the north pole and this is the south pole of a magnet and this is the current carrying coil that you are talking about. Yes? And in which the current is flowing in this direction, and this is the magnetic field. Okay? Uniform magnetic field. Okay, understood? Can you
Yes,
see the
sir.
diagram?
Yes, sir.
Acha. If you place the
Yes,
coil
sir.
like this, if the coil
Yes, sir.
is in this fashion, it will experience the minimum amount of force. The force will be minimum. Okay, but if you place the coil in this fashion, if the coil is placed perpendicularly, then what will happen? It will experience maximum amount of force. Okay? Fleming's left hand rule, all
Yes.
the three things has to be perpendicular to each other. Then only it will experience the maximum force. Na? Father, mother, children. So current, magnetic field and force. Yes or no? If current and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. Yes? So this is the current that we are flowing in this coil. This is I, and this I has to be perpendicular with the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field B. Yes? So it has to be perpendicular. If it is perpendicular, then what will happen? It will experience maximum amount of force. And due to that force, the coil will rotate. The shaft is connected with it and the shaft will rotate. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the principle?
Yes, sir.
If a current carrying coil, so this is a current carrying coil. If a current carrying coil is placed in a uniform magnetic field perpendicularly, it experiences a maximum amount of force that will rotate it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's fantastic. You know everything, but whenever you are having some sort of doubt, some confusions, clear that errors. I am here to clear your small errors. I know that you know the principle of electric motor. Yes, but I am trying to find out what are the errors you are having here. Okay, small things, try to improve, and that only will fetch you very good marks in your board examination. Yes, next question. What is the role of the split rings in an electric motor? So, next question. Role of split rings. Come on, who can tell me?
Sir, it reverses the direction of the
Can I
current.
say? Can I say?
Anyone tell me. Give me a
So
name.
it reverses the direction
The
of
role
current
split ring is
in
to
electric
means
motor.
reverse the direction of current.
My dear, first of all, tell your name. Who is saying?
Sir, Shaurudeep.
Okay, tell me, Shoradev.
So the role of split ring is to means reverse the direction of current.
Reverse the direction of current. Alright, anybody else? Anybody else? So, everybody agrees with this? Reverses the direction of current?
Yes, sir.
It is called as
Yes,
commutator. It is called as commutator. Alright. Split rings are also called as commutator. What is the role of split rings? It reverses the flow of current. Or you can say direction of current. Okay. It reverses the direction of current. So what is the need of reversal of direction of current? What is the need? What is the need of this? It will reverse the direction of current. Why?
Sir, it will help to means it will help to continue the rotation of the coil in the same direction.
It will, if we reverse the direction of current, then the force, then the force will act in the same direction. Yes or no? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So, to
Yes,
keep
sir.
the direction of the force constant, we interchange the flow of current. Okay, that is the need of the split rings. Alright. Acha, next question. Tell me, acha, one thing you tell me, when there is no connection between the carbon brush and the split rings, when no current is flowing in the circuit, then how the coil is rotating?
So the coil have already gained
Inertia of motion.
during rotation, sir.
Due to
It
the
have already
momentum.
gained its momentum, sir.
Due to the gain in momentum. Yes or no? Okay. Anybody has any doubt in this?
No, sir.
What is
No,
the
sir.
next conceptual question? What is the role of carbon brush?
Sir, it keeps the connection with the it keeps the connection of the rectangular coil with the connecting wires, because the connecting wires cannot be directly connected with the rectangular wire, otherwise it will get twisted, sir.
Twisted. Wow. The फटाफटी को होता रे. It get twisted. Okay. See here. The role of carbon brush is to keep a connection between the external coil and the to keep a connection between the rectangular coil and the external circuit. Okay. You are
Sir, the
correct.
twisted word is not correct, sir.
Twisted means what? What will get twisted?
That means the connecting wires will also get rotated with it, and it can might get tear also, sir.
No, that is never the role of carbon brush. Okay, that is not at all the role of carbon brush. It acts as a conducting path between the external circuit and the rectangular coil. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this
Yes,
much
sir.
Yes, sir.
You are absolutely correct, but no need of saying these all redundant things. All right, these are all redundant things. Okay, this much is done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next question. Let me see. Induction. Leave induction. No need of continuing with induction. Yes, from NCRT. One more question is there. After some time, we will be continuing with the MCQs. All right. We'll see the MCQs. Acha, list 3 sources of magnetic field. Okay. 1 mark question it may come. Sources of magnetic field. Come on, tell me. Sources of magnetic field. What are the sources of magnetic field? Anyone? Am I audible to you? Hello?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
asking something. That what are the sources of magnetic field? What are the sources of magnetic field? Yes, this is the question. What are the sources of magnetic field?
Sir, a magnet.
What are the sources?
Sir, magnet.
Acha, let me see. One is permanent magnet.
Electromagnet,
Permanent magnet.
permanent magnet,
Electromagnet.
Number 2,
current carrying conductors,
electromagnet.
Sir, solenoid.
Current carrying conductor. Alright, these 3 are the sources of magnetic field. Alright, I am trying to bring out the important questions that may come. Alright, name some devices in which electric motors are used. I think you know this, na? The devices in which electric motors are used. Examples. I will not continue with this. There are several things: refrigerator, cooler, fans, etc. Yes. When is
Yes,
the
sir.
force experienced
Yes,
by
sir.
a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field largest? Yes, right now I have said. When is the force
So when the magnetic field
will
is
be
perpendicular to the current
largest?
carrying conductor.
Yes, when this thing right now we have done, the force will be largest when the magnetic field and current are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so almost important questions we have done. Names of devices. Okay, it's all right. Tools not required. Short circuit, electric earthing. Okay. So all the NCRT questions, important NCRT questions that may come, we have completed. All right. Acha, let me tell you one MCQ. Come on. Let's see. Let's close this and come face to face. All right. So let me tell you one MCQ. The MCQ is the magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid carrying current. How it will be? I repeat. Come on, listen properly. The magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid carrying current is 0, decreases as we move towards its end, increases as we move towards its end, or is same at all the points. What will be the answer?
Sir, same at all the points.
Sir, same at all the points.
Yes. So magnetic field inside a solenoid is same at all the points. Yes or no? Is this clear
Yes,
to you? Simple questions, all the MCQ questions. Okay. It will be great if I will bring the NCERT questions in the form of PDF in front of you. Just wait. Okay. So what was that? Solenoid magnetic fields are uniform. That means same at all the points. Yes or no? It is same at all the points. The magnetic field inside a solenoid is same at all the points. Alright, this one is also complete. Next question. Which of the following correctly describes the magnetic field near a long straight wire? Okay. Which of the following correctly describes the magnetic field near a long straight wire? The field consists of straight lines perpendicular to the wire. The field consists of straight lines parallel to the wire. The field consists of radial lines originating from the wire, and the field consists of concentric circles centered on the wire. What will be the answer?
Sir, the field consists of concentric circles centered on the wire.
circles. See, the concept comes from here. I hope you have done this thing also. If this a current carrying conductor is joined with a cell and with a battery and a switch, if we pass current through it, what will happen? This wire will act like a magnet. Rather, it will show some magnetic properties, and a magnetic field lines will be somewhat like this, circular rings. Yes or no? Like this, magnetic field lines will be there. Okay? And these rings are concentric in nature. Concentric means a circles having same center but varying radius. Alright? They are forming concentric circles. So always remember, the magnetic field lines or the magnetic field pattern for a straight current carrying conductor is in the form of concentric rings. Alright? Or concentric circles. Is that okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Alright? Okay. Next. Induction not required. AC/DC. Short circuit. Okay, my dear students, we have completed all the NCERT questions from this chapter. Okay. Still, if you have any sort of doubt, you can ask me. Any doubt you are having, then you can come up with your questions. The NCERT questions are complete for today. Next class, we will be continuing with the last 10 years questions from this chapter. 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 5 marks. All last 10 years questions I will bring in front of you in the form of PDF. Alright. In form of PDF, I will bring all the last 10 years questions. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I know that you have
sir.
completed the NCERT questions. Alright. Still, I was trying to find out. If you have any sort of doubt, you can ask me. If no, then we are going to conclude the class here. Anyone? Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So, I will conclude the class here for today. Tomorrow, I will be coming with the NCERT, not NCERT questions, rather the last 10 years questions. Alright? Thank you, everyone. Thank you, class.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Okay, come on. Bye-bye. Take care.